a strong word.
Hey guys, Only One Antidote here. I'm here with the unboxing of Armin van Buuren's latest album, Embrace. I know that the release date was a few weeks ago for this, but Bull Moose recently got it. It didn't get it on its actual release date for some reason. But here it is. So we'll open this puppy up and see what we got. So first, there is a poster. So we'll pull that out. Sorry, I forgot the tripod this time. Okay, so you open it up, Embrace, fold it over once more, like that, and then fold it, unfold it, not fold it, and then basically I have the cover of the album, so it's kind of what that is. It's pretty good size too, so that's cool. Go to the manual. Basically just the lyrics. This has the lyrics and the I think I forgot a song. Oh, never mind. This has the lyrics and the credits to it, so I thought I forgot one because the first song's Embrace, but it doesn't have any singing in it, so zoom in just a little. And now, thank you note and the credits. Okay, now these are the credits. That was just like the thank you note and the people who helped him on the album. I don't even know what I'm doing now. And then this is the back of it. See him tugging the car. That's kind of it. It's the disc. Yep. So that's it for Armin van Buuren Embrace unboxing. So thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.